RST, a British brand well regarded for its no-nonsense approach to performance riding gear, has carved a reputation for producing jackets that don't just protect but also deliver on practicality. The S-1 Mesh men's leather jacket is one of their latest entries into the hybrid segment, designed for riders who want the security of leather without sacrificing breathability in warmer climates. At first glance, the S-1 Mesh presents itself with a clean, modern silhouette. RST has avoided the over-stylized graphics that sometimes plague mid-tier jackets, instead opting for subtle branding and streamlined lines. The jacket looks as much at home on a naked bike during a weekend ride out as it does on a sport tourer crossing European highways. Available in understated black with mesh panel integration, it offers a purposeful aesthetic without trying too hard. But it's under the skin where the S-1 Mesh begins to earn its stripes. Constructed from premium cowhide leather in all Zone 1 areas, the jacket retains that reassuring robustness riders expect from RST. However, the key addition is its large mesh ventilation panels, strategically placed along the torso and underarms to funnel airflow directly across the body. For summer riders or those tackling city commutes, this feature makes the jacket considerably more versatile than traditional full leather options. Even at lower speeds, the ventilation is noticeable, helping reduce the dreaded sweat factor associated with leather gear in hot weather. Safety, of course, remains paramount. The S-1 Mesh comes fitted with CE Level 1 armor at the shoulders and elbows, with a pocket for an optional back protector. While some premium jackets now ship with back protection as standard, RST's decision to leave it as an add-on reflects its positioning in the market as an affordable yet dependable piece of kit, or if like me wear the RST armored airbag shirt underneath. The armor itself is slim and unobtrusive, ensuring the jacket doesn't feel bulky or restrictive. Additionally, double and triple stitched seams reinforce its abrasion resistance, offering reassurance in the event of a slide. In terms of comfort, the S-1 Mesh impresses. The cut is sporty without being overly aggressive, making it suitable for a variety of riding positions. Stretch panels at key articulation points allow for easy movement on the bike, and the interior lining adds a touch of comfort against the skin. Adjustment points at the waist and cuffs allow riders to fine-tune the fit, reducing flapping at speed. Practicality isn't forgotten either. Two external zippered pockets provide space for essentials like keys or a wallet, while an internal pocket is ideal for a phone or documents. It's not the most storage-heavy jacket on the market, but it covers the basics well. Where the S-1 Mesh really shines is its value proposition. It slots nicely into RST's lineup as a mid-range option, providing leather-level protection with mesh-driven airflow at a price point that won't sting. For riders who spend their summers on the road or commuters facing stop-start traffic in warmer conditions, it offers a smart compromise. In short, the RST S-1 Mesh men's leather jacket succeeds in delivering a well-rounded package. The protection of leather, the breathability of mesh, and the styling to suit a broad spectrum of riders. It may not boast the bells and whistles of high-end touring jackets, but as a dependable, comfortable, and affordable solution for everyday riding, it's hard to argue with its appeal. Verdict: a versatile, summer-friendly leather jacket that balances safety and comfort without breaking the bank.